Hey, what's up guys? This is Drew with Milsurp Minutes, and today we have a unboxing video for you. So let's go ahead and get this box open. I picked up a Southern Tactical VZ61 from Centerfire Systems. The whole thing ran me about $6.59 shipped to my dealer, which I think is a pretty solid price for these things. Chambered in 32 ACP, it uses a Tort receiver that Southern Tactical is contracted through Tort, and a surplus parts kit for the rest. But let's take a look at what you get with this little pistol. So you obviously saw the bulky as all get out pigskin leather holster. This one's dated 1975. It's in very good to excellent condition in my opinion. Just, generic com block leather. You get two 20-round magazines. These are surplus magazines. If I can get them out here. As you can tell by the crossed swords on the bottom of each mag. One's blued and one's phosphate. I'm not sure why that is, but it's just surplus. Little mag holders dated 6 of 65, which is pretty neat. And then you get a cleaning kit, which I have yet to open since I picked this up yesterday. Might take me a second here to figure it out. There we go. So let's dump this out here. All the accoutrement. I'm not even sure what any of that stuff is or does, but it's cool that it comes with, I think this is a tool for something. Yeah, right, descriptive. Not sure what any of this is. I'm going to have to do some further research on it. Probably a handle for the cleaning kit, brush or something, right? Interesting. Now, you also get a 10-round magazine. Let's take a closer look at the gun. There isn't a whole lot of YouTube videos out there on the Southern Tactical VZ61s. There's just a lot of generic, like other YouTubers just like, check out my full auto post sample, So, from what I've read online, these are Tort lower receivers with surplus parts kits. And you can still see some of the surplus stampings. They're very faint because these are all refinished. But there are enough there for me to say that this is a surplus upper, at the very least. Like an original serial number there. Definitely a surplus pistol grip. All in all, the gun is actually pretty good condition. I mean, these are brand new. I did read that there was some fit and finish issues. And some of the mags go in tight, and, it's small stuff, nothing crazy. I haven't shot this gun yet, but I will shortly. Probably here in the next few days. My biggest gripe right now is your safety selector it'll over travel, and then when it's in fire, it doesn't really indent very well. But, if that's my biggest complaint, still got a pretty cool little gun. To answer questions that I've seen online, it is drilled and tapped for an adapter if I wanted to SBR this and put a stock on it. And put an unloaded 20-rounder in there. All in all, really cool little gun. If you're into subguns or just Cold War surplus or just anything interesting that isn't, run-of-the-mill, definitely pick one of these up while you can. They were available on Centerfire Systems and Atlantic. I believe both of those websites are sold out at the moment. But, yeah, what's up, guys? We're going to do some shooting with that VZ Scorpion I just picked up. See how it handles. All right. I'm back with an after-action report of the Southern Tactical VZ61 Scorpion. I put about 200 to 250 rounds of 32 ACP through the gun, both Cellier and Bellet, Magtech, and Winchester White Box. The Magtech hollow points did feed and fire just fine. It seemed to prefer cellular and bellet. I didn't have any issues with the firearm for failure to feed, failure to eject, or any other issues with the gun. Overall, the fit and finish is still pretty good. I do have issues with the selector, as as you can see, it over travels and is pretty loose when it's in the fire position. But other than that, no major issues with the gun, and it's a fantastic little shooter. If you want a really cool Cold War era looking handgun, this is a solid option. 32 ACP is a little anemic for defensive use, but for plinking at the range and just a kicks and giggles gun or just something to have on the desk to look at, this is a fantastic choice, and I definitely recommend you pick up one of these. I'm Drew with Milsurp Minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a great day.